Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I make one of my resin palmistry hands, and this is a really popular resin make of mine. I've sold a few of these now. So I'm going to show you what I do. Firstly, I pour a coat of resin, just a really thin coat, just to cover the bottom, and I'll leave that for about an hour. And then I'm going to start placing the flowers into that sticky coat, just so that then they don't move, and there I'm just tipping it just to get into the fingertips and trying to release any bubbles. But I will stop talking now and I will just let you watch what I do. Hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. So now it's time to demould this hand, and it's pretty easy to take out. You just sort of release it from the bottom and then give it a wiggle from the fingertips, and then I almost grab the wrist and I pull it out. But you never know how it's going to turn out once before you demould, because you don't know how it will look. And look at that, that looks amazing. I love these resin hands. I think they look great. I'm just giving you a close-up. And in there you'll see like the lines, the engravings in the mould. So what I will do now is I will paint that with acrylic paint, sort of paint it on, wipe off the excess. I didn't realise I didn't record that, but that's what I've done here. So you'll see the lines have been painted. Once that's dry, because the hand comes out matte, I then brush a thin layer using this fan brush of resin over the hand. And what I've done here is I've actually got it laid flat and then I stand it up. But now when I do it, I just do it with the hand stood up, just brush it. You do get a bit of excess drip to the bottom, but I keep an eye on it and keep moving it out of the excess resin that's dripped out. So that's what I'll do. I'll just give it a gloss with some new resin top coat, and it just brings the shine out and it just makes the flowers really stand out. And if you stay tuned to the end of this video, I'll put some clips or pictures of some other hands and other designs I've done. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Hope you think it looks as good as I do. This is a really popular hand, and I've had requests to do it with certain colours, or otherwise I will just do a random hand, just random flowers. I've even done one using clear resin to start with and then a blue coat. But there's the hand now, all glossy and finished. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. What colour combos would you do? Is there anything you can see that I've done that you would do differently? I mean, that bit on the back there, it's a bit bulky, so sometimes I have to sand it down. It just depends how much I put on. But thanks for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as I enjoy making them, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.